Hi students. So today we will discuss about tissue. Okay. Here one chapter is there after cell, that is tissue. Tissue. So today we will discuss in this video that detail about tissue. Okay. Step by step we will try to discuss about tissue. So first of all we have to understand what is tissue. And before getting understand about the meaning of tissue, first of all we have to understand what is cell. What in previous chapter we have been already completed that point. What is cell? What types of organelles present inside the cell? Okay. And one common sentence what you must not forget about that is known as cell is the smallest structural and functional unit of any living organism. What? Cell. Cell is the smallest structural and functional unit of any living organism because the basic metabolic activities and the basic points, whatever things happen in living organisms, it starts from the cell. Okay. Millions and millions number of cells are composed. Millions and millions number of cells are there present in multicellular organisms just like us. Okay. So first of all we have to see that so many cells. It means cell is the smallest structural and functional unit of any living organism. Okay. Then so many number of cells. One idea I am just giving you. You please listen carefully. So many cells. So listen. So many number of cells. It forms one kind of structure that is called tissue. Yes or no? That is called tissue. This tissue is made up of a group of cells. So many types of cells. Group of cells made one tissue. Okay. Then tissue made your organ. So many tissues combiningly made one organ. So let me to say you that tissue is the microscopic in nature. Okay. Tissue can be seen in microscopes. And so many tissues, group of cells. Sorry, again I am saying you. Cell is the microscopic in nature. Okay. So many cells it make one tissue. Understood or not? Different kinds of tissues are present in our body. Just like giving one example, I am saying you that you see this skin. This skin is the organ in our body. This skin is the organ in our body, and this skin is made up of tissue. Understood or not? And in this tissue, so many cells are there. Group of cells are there. So many cells are there. Millions and millions number of cells are there present in here. And so many cells combiningly they make one tissue. This side skin is different. This skin is also different. This skin is also made up of another kind of tissue than this. This nail is also tissue. Okay, in our body, everywhere different kinds of tissues are there present, and each and every kinds of tissues made up of different kinds of cells. Okay. Then after that, so many tissues, it absolutely make organ. Different types of organs are there. Skin is the largest organ in our body. So skin is one organ. Lungs is one organ. Yes or no? Stomach is one organ. Eye is one organ. Different organs are there. And so many organs, they make one organ system. Organ system. Organ system means digestive system, respiratory system. Understood or not? Suppose your digestive system. Digestive system. Digestive system comprises of your what kinds of your organs, you say me? Digestive system comprises of your what kinds of organs? Buccal cavity. Then after your what? Inside the buccal cavity also different kinds of organs are there. Teeth, tongue. Yes or no? Glands are there. Then esophagus is there. Stomach is there. Pancreas, liver, intestine, or different kinds of. So these are the different kinds of organs, and each and every organs are made up of your tissues, and tissues are made up of ultimately your cells. And inside the cell, what is present, you know. Understood or not? So this is the point. Next, I want to tell you another thing that you listen. Two types of organisms are there present. One kind of organism is known as the unicellular. Some organisms are present in our earth. Okay. What organisms are made up of only one cell? Only one cell. Okay. And on the other hand, some organisms are present with the help of so many kinds of number of cells. So some kinds of organisms, we can say that multicellular. Multicellular organisms are made up of so many number of cells. Millions and millions. Multi means many. Multi means many. Multi means what? Multi means many. Many number of cells. Unicellular. Uni means one. Only one cell is present. In this one cell can perform its all activities. movement can be happened with the help of this one cell. There is no any kinds of muscle cells. Here in multicellular, muscle is present for the movement. Okay, muscle is present, bone is present, blood is present. So different kinds of things are there present. Where there is nothing present in here. This is very simple organism. This is simple organism, very simple. But this is complex organism because this is multicellular. This is multicellular. This is unicellular. Okay, this is unicellular. This is multicellular. This is the simple organism, and this is the what? This is not simple. This is the complex organism. Understood or not? Then after that, here different kinds of your divisions are there. Different types of functions are there performed by different types of your part. Different kinds of your parts. Muscle does have its own function. Bone does have its own function. Blood does have its also own function. Okay, blood's function is what? Blood's function is that to transport different kinds of materials throughout our body. Understood or not? Where all such kinds of things are not present here. This is very simple. This is one cell. Okay, and whatever present inside the one cell, whatever should be present here, but this is one cell. Okay, again in the unicellular also prokaryotic and eukaryotic, we will not go there. Okay, so this is the simple. Here no division. Here no division is there. No division of labor is there. And this is very simple organism. Okay, this is very simple, this is very complex. There is no division. No specialized tissue is there. No specialized cell is found there. No specialized cell. Special cells are there found in multicellular organisms. Understood or not? So this is known as the cell. This is unicell. This is the multicell. And what is the basic definition of your group of cells? What is the basic definition of your group of cells? It means one tissue. Listen. First of all, let me to say you that tissue word comes from your one word is there in France that is known as the aubaine. Aubaine word comes from France. It means this is the French word. Yes or no? Aubaine named one word is there. From aubaine, tissue is derived. Aubaine means what? Aubaine means weaving. Weaving. Yes or no? Weaving means you must have seen that sweater. Yes or no? Sweater's designing is what kind of? If you will put that sweater in the microscope, very minute observation if you will do, then that sweater it will be looked like this. Yes or no? So if you will take whole this structure as tissue, then you have to understand that these small things, it means these compartments, this compartment, each and every these small types of, these are the cells. Okay, these are the cells. If the whole thing is the tissue, then each and every small compartments are known as the cells. So what is the definition of your tissue? The definition of your tissue is that tissue is the group of cells. Tissue is the group of cells having same structure, okay, and combiningly they perform one function. Group of cells having same structure and function also to perform one function. उनका स्ट्रक्चर सब सेम है. देखो उनका स्ट्रक्चर सब सेम है, तो ये सब मिलके एक तरह का फंक्शन करते हैं. ग्रुप ऑफ सेल्स हैविंग सेम स्ट्रक्चर to perform one function, to perform one function. This is known as the definition of tissue. This is known as tissue. Tissue is made up of group of cells. जो ग्रुप ऑफ सेल्स का स्ट्रक्चर सेम होता है, सुनाई दिया कि नहीं? उनका स्ट्रक्चर सब सेम है, अलग अलग तरह का स्ट्रक्चर नहीं है, और सारा का सारा सेल्स मिलके मतलब जो टिश्यू बनाते हैं, वो टिश्यू का एक मकसद होता है एक काम करना, बॉडी के अंदर रह के एक फंक्शन करना. ऐसी बात नहीं है कि हमारे बॉडी में, इन आवर बॉडी ओनली वन काइंड ऑफ टिश्यू इज देयर, सेवरल काइंड्स ऑफ टिश्यूज आर देयर. ओके, जाहिर सी बात है, ऑब्वियसली दे हैव डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ फंक्शंस. अंडरस्टूड और नॉट? In our body, one kind of tissue is there present, that is known as the epithelial tissue. Yes or no? That is known as the epithelial tissue. Suppose these kinds of tissue is there. These are the cells. Okay, so many number of cells present here, and combiningly they make one what? This is the epithelial tissue. Epithelial tissue. Epithelial tissue means this tissue is present in our skin. Epithelial tissue. Okay. Another kind of your tissue is present there, that is known as your what? muscle tissue. Suppose this is known as the muscle tissue. Okay, like this, such kinds of tissues are there present, and such kinds of tissues are, suppose, muscle cells. Okay, elongated. Listen, these are the muscle tissues. Rocky diagram I'm doing. This is the muscle tissue. Muscle tissue. Shape and size is different than this. All the cells shape and size is same. Here all the cells shape and size and their structure is same. Another kind of tissue is there present. That is known as your what? Such kinds of cell is present also. This is called your neuron, nerve cell. So different kinds of, one by one, so many neurons like this. Okay, this is known as the neuron. Neuron cells are present everywhere in our body, so that we are absolutely responding stimuli. Okay, outer environment, we are getting to know what kind of environment is there going on. According to that, we react. So this is the example of your different kinds of tissues, and this is the definition. You will read your NCERT book. Okay, what kind of definition is there given? You will see that. You will note down that one. Okay. Then after that one, let me to say you that tissue, the study of tissue is known as histology. The study of tissue is known as histology. If anybody will like to study regarding only tissue, that topic is known as the histology. Understood or not? And histology was given by Mayer. Mayer was one scientist. Okay, understood or not? He was French scientist. Okay, Mayer has derived the word, first of all, histology. Understood or not? And Bichard names another scientist was there. Bichard has given the term tissue. Understood or not? Yes or no? And the related tissue study is known as the histology. And another thing is that Malpighi named another scientist is there. Malpighi is the founder of histology. Malpighi is the founder of histology. He is the founder of histology. The study of tissue is known as the histology. Malpighi is the founder of the histology. Bichard has given the term tissue. Okay, in 1792, he was the French scientist. Mayer was another scientist who has given for the first time here the word tissue. Sorry, the word histology. Yes or no? So this is the common sense. And then after that, we will discuss about the plant tissue in detail. Okay, plants do have different kinds of tissues than animals. Plants do not have only one kind of tissue. Again, in plants also different kinds of tissues are there, whatever given there in the book. Okay, in the next video I will say you that plants do have what kinds of tissues and what is their basic functions. In detail we will discuss about that. Thank you.